Hi, my name is Sam. Welcome to another screencast episode on colormylearning.com. In this video, we're going to look at the topic course format on your Moodle VLE, how to set up a course that uses the topic format. This is arguably one of the biggest and most common course format. Now, to start by creating this course using the topic course format, you will need to be logged on to your Moodle VLE as a course creator. Click on Add a New Course button in the category that you wish to add your course. There are two fields compulsory that you need to complete, and these are the course full name and the course short name. And when you scroll down to halfway down, you would see that there is the format option. You will need to choose the topic format. Now, these different formats can be set as default by the administrator. We have already set topics as the default for this case on this server, and it's quite common to have topics as default. The other options are the course start date, whether to show news item, whether to show grade book to the students, whether to show activity report, and to set the maximum upload limit for files. Now, depending on whether you will be uploading a lot of files and big files, you will need to increase this limit accordingly, and this limit is actually controlled by the administrator as well. So if you need a higher limit, it is possible that the administrator will be able to help you increase this at the back end on the server. Now, the other course settings for topic, which are quite useful, is the number of topics or different number of sections that you want in your course page. Now, this could correspond to the topics that you're trying to cover in terms of units or modules within the course. This could also be the number of headings or chapters in a book if you are trying to replicate a sort of course content based on your book. Or this could refer to the curriculum that you are following, thereby introducing different topics within the curriculum based on one topic or per section. You can then decide if you want hidden sections to be shown as collapsed or hidden sections are completely invisible. Or you can also choose this new layout, which is based on whether to show all sections on one page or to show one section per page. Now, this allows you to sort of cut down the scrolling that is required if you have one section per page. If it's going to be a small course, you can choose show all section on one page, which means the students would need to scroll a bit in order to get to the different topics, but everything is shown on one page. So there are pros and cons towards which layout that you would choose to go for. Both have its merits and disadvantages. You can allow guest access, which means they can see the course before they decide if they wish to enroll in it. Group options are also available. And lastly, whether this course is available to students or not available to students, this is up to you. It could be a course that you set up which may not immediately be available to students. You can then come in here and change it to make it available. When you're done, click Save Changes. You'll then be asked to enroll students manually. Now, you can obviously do that by clicking on Enroll Users, or you can skip this and go straight into the course area by clicking on the course short name. So here you have a course based on a number of topics and a set of blocks on the sidebar here on the right column. Now, this may appear on the left depending on the theme that you're using, but these are pretty standard. And you also notice that there is a news forum here for announcement and general news. And that is effectively how you would go about creating a course based on the topics format. You can continue by clicking on Turn Editing On to edit this area, to add resources or activity within each section, and all the other options that are available for you within this page. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now, we just looked at how to set up a course that uses the topic format. And for more information, please visit us on colormylearning.com. Remember to share this tutorial on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you, and I hope you see you soon.